Hello all, welcome to Handpick Trade. Here is a quick video for Nifty Metal Index. We see the GST is increasing from 5 to 18% for metals such as iron, copper, aluminum, etc. So I thought sharing the levels for metal index will be helpful. I'm also going to share the Tata Steel and JSW levels and how it's going to support the index. I'm going to share two views. One is on monthly, another is on 4-hour chart. So you can take this level if you are a positional trader or a short-term trader. So let's get started. The first you see is a Nifty Metal Index on a monthly chart. Metal have rallied very well past few months, and there is a strong support at 5508. The current level Friday close is 5683. In case if this news gives us a negative effect, it's a buy on dips. Till we have 5508, we can buy on dips. If we see a positive effect, we may see a very good up move around 5900 and maybe 5960 also. Now there's one thing, in case if this news was expected and the fall which we saw on Friday, maybe because of that. So let's wait and see on Monday. So let's see how Tata Steel is going to be supporting. Tata Steel on a monthly chart, it has formed an inside candle. So we know the basic functionality of an inside candle. So it's only two levels. If it's going down, there's a good support at 1296. We can still buy on dips. Only the close below 1296, it's going to give you us a bearish view. Or if the downfall is done and this news is going to give some positive effect, we will see 1500 as a quick rally in Tata Steel. So this is a monthly level. Let's see JSW. JSW is quite on the correction mode. So this stock should react positively, and we see a strong support at 643. This is also the same, buy on dips till 643. We will see 720 probably this month. Maybe above 720 is also possible in JSW. I have also another view in a 4-hour chart. I have tried this pitchfork and I have tried in other few stocks and it is working quite well. So I thought let me apply on this metals also. So on the index perspective, as you see on the screen, it is giving a great support at this level. So it should be a bounce back from this level. And JSW, the chart speaks. So this should give a positive move. Let's see on Monday. Tata Steel. Tata Steel may give some dip, but this is going to be a buying opportunity for Tata Steel. And for Tata Steel, I have also put the intraday levels. Intraday or this week or September expiry levels. If below 1370 we see a 4-hour candle close or a daily close, we can take a PE for a quick scalping. Or if 1370 is held, we can see 1400 plus maybe 1500 also. So these are the levels, and this is my view. Let's see on Monday how it reacts. Maintain a strict stop loss and trade with the trend. Wait and see how it reacts on the first 15 minutes candle or a first 1 hour candle, and then take a trade accordingly. Thank you, friends.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.